Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and last night was absolutely epic. Let me straighten up the camera there a little piece. Yo. Yeah, last night was absolutely epic, man. We had the Dub Plate Wars showdown. It went down really well. Also, big up to the Zoom crew. New feature on the show. Absolutely kicked off a storm. The Zim Zoomer crew. But really sorry, guys. I think my tired eyes completely missed the results of that competition. If you look at the countdown, which I'm going to show you now, it was actually won by DJ Terrace. So big up to DJ Terrace, guys. I just want to show you the and also big up to all the contestants. DJ Dom's tune smash it same way, but guys, check out the video playback right now.
Get in the Zoom now. On the shotgun camera in the studio. Yo! Oh my God. We've got BC Ryder and DJ Omen. Who's ready for the Dub Plate Wars? Zoom crew, stay right there, don't bro. I'll see you with the tunes. Ace and Trip to the Moon. Oh, we're rocking. We're shocking. Yo. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner tonight is DJ.
So guys, as you can see, last night DJ Terrace won the competition by 1 vote. Big up DJ Doms. So guys, the finale should have gone like this.
3, 2, 1. And the winner for tonight's competition is the DJ Terrace. Big up my man, well done. Shout out to all the contestants out there. You guys have absolutely smashed it. Amen Therapy, big up, Plate War.
So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy it. Amen Therapy next week, same time, same place. I've sorted out the lag now. I believe I've sorted out the lag. I found a solution. Same time, same place next week. Amen Therapy, the Busy Bee Science on YouTube. Stay safe. Big up, people. Take care. God bless. Peace.